All right, guys, so here's a video that's been requested a couple of times. People have had questions about preparation. So I'm going to show you how recently I've been prepping for a shave with great results. Now, the first thing is softer bristles, softer hair makes for an easier shave. So there are a couple things that you can do, a couple of products. One is Cremo makes beard and scruff softener, right? Helps with itch if you're growing a beard, but it keeps the scruff nice and soft. Nivea Men has just released this new product. It's their Sensitive Daily Skin and Stubble Balm, which works to soften the beard, get it ready for a shave, or if you're growing the beard, it softens it and it prevents beard itch. Both of these are cool. Links in the description box below. But I won't be using those today. Today I'm going to show you how I prep for a shave. The first thing you want to do, guys, is wash your face with warm water. And I like to use Nivea Men Sensitive Face Wash, courtesy of my boy B-Man. He loves the Nivea product. So this is step number one. Let's get going. You don't want to use hot water, it'll damage your skin. Warm water will help open up the pores and get your face ready. Apply a little bit of that face wash, guys. And it's got a nice subtle smell. And you want to lather that in to your stubble using nice circular motion. And it's a face wash, so you can take it all the way up if you want. Just don't get it in your eyes, of course. Now you want to rinse off with warm water again. You want to give yourself a good rinsing to get rid of that face wash. Now for the second and crucial step, pre-shave oil. I got this from Defender. They sent this as part of their care gift, and it has been a godsend, guys. 1 pump of pre-shave oil to a damp face. And you want to work that in. Ah, nice. Again, very, very light fragrance. And you want to work that in. You might want to use just a little bit more. Just a little bit more than a pump. But that feels nice and relaxing. Next step, I'm going to want to rinse this off. I just want to splash some warm water to get some of the oil off, but I want to leave some behind. Using my hand as a squeegee, I'll squeegee some of that moisture. But I'm leaving some of that oil behind, guys, and that's important. So now, the face is ready to receive the lather. And I told you guys last week that I would use Gillette's Pure Soothing Gel. This is the first time I've used it. I've heard great things about it. Just put a little bit in the hand. And I'm going to apply this without a brush today. But I've got to get back into using my brushes, guys. Applying it. Oh, nice. Very light fragrance. And just a little bit, about a dime's worth. Looks like it's really going to coat the face and neck very well. And I like that it's thin. It's not too bulky, not too foamy. And it feels like it has a little bit more of an oily consistency than my favorite Gillette foam mousse. But I've heard that they're discontinuing that. So now I have to look for a suitable replacement or stock up while supplies last. Link in the description box. Stock up, fellas, if you like it. And that's a quick overview of how I prep my face. I'm ready to go. Use the blade of choice, like the new Gillette heated razor. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Heat. That's nice, guys. I was running about 4 days of stubble in between shaves. I love this razor. That heat, guys, coming off that bar is really nice. Oh yeah. No nicks, but certainly brings the heat. Oh yeah. Ah, there's nothing like the heat, bruh. And I'm liking the Pure. So far, so good. Okay, I'm ready for my neck. Hair on your neck, guys, for the most part, grows upwards. So if you're shaving with the grain, you're gonna flip the blade and you're gonna shave upward. And every stroke, guys, every stroke. Heat. After you shave, guys, with the heated razor, your skin is nice and tingly. Oh, that's nice. Pass one is in the box. All right, so I put a little warm water on my face and I'm gonna go with the second pass. I'm only gonna do 2 passes today, but the second pass, I'm gonna do an across grain pass on my face and an against the grain pass on my neck. All right, mix it up a little bit. Again, I'm gonna add just a touch, a little bit more than I would have wanted, but just a touch of this Pure, and I'm gonna put it on lighter. So more water on my face this time. I like to do that for the second and subsequent passes, guys, because I feel like I get better contact. There's less hair. I get better contact and I can really feel the areas in question, which I'll tell you, aren't too many. Usually for me, it's right around here where the neck or the jawline, neck meets the jaw, and maybe in the spots over here. Thumbs up for Gillette Pure. Pass 2, I'm gonna go across grain. So I'm gonna be going on my face across grain. I like to do this in nice, long, fluid strokes. By the way, guys, remember, we are not digging. So we're shaving, guys. We're using the weight of the device to help it glide across your skin. You're never gonna get every hair out, guys. You're always gonna have some hair showing. So you need to be kind to your face. It's the only one you have. Every stroke, guys, brings the heat. I've had no problems today with the device shutting off, because I've been more efficient. But if it shuts off while waiting for you, you just click it back on and the heat is right there. Once it warms up, there's no lag for heat. And look at that, guys. See, it just shut off. Look at that. Once it stops blinking, it's ready to rock and roll. Beautiful design though. Anyway, on my neck, I'm gonna go with an against the grain pass because I find that when you go cross grain on the neck, you can really cut yourself up. So with a multi-blade razor, typically I'll do 2 passes and I'll do some cleanup work. Sometimes I'll pull out the 1 blade and I'll do some cleanup work too, because I don't wanna cut myself, guys. So we're gonna do the against the grain pass on the neck. It seems to be an easier pass for the neck. For me, it's the neck is a problem spot. If I'm gonna get irritated, if I'm gonna cut myself, it's on my neck. So against the grain, guys. Hairs growing up against the grain would actually be the traditional handle, right? The traditional handle grip. So straight down, nice smooth strokes, guys. And you hear those blades just popping through like a hot knife through butter. I'm gonna finish this up. You hear that? You hear that, guys? Wow. Hot knife through butter. Second shave, and I'm feeling no pain, and I'm still loving this heated razor. I'm going to keep bringing you more and more videos. To me, it's such an important product that I need to spend some time with it. And I'll tell you over time if I really enjoy the shave as much as I do today. And I do. Right now, I do. Shave 2 in the books. What I'll do now, I can check to see if I've missed any spots. But I'll tell you what, I'm baby smooth. I'm feeling no pain. And my skin
is tingling all over.
So last but not least, guys, I'll rinse off with some warm water and I'll apply some of my favorite aftershave. Because I love my boy B-Man, I'm going to use his Nivea Men's post-shave balm. Nivea makes some great products, guys. And I appreciate my boy B-Man. So this post-shave balm is nice, guys. It's just a nice finishing touch. And I'm looking pretty and smelling pretty. And you boys should be doing the same. I hope you didn't forget. I want to thank you guys for watching. Love questions, love comments. Leave one below. Again, links to Gillette Pure, Nivea Face Wash, and the Defender
Pre-shave oil.
You can buy it right off their website. And I'll see you guys next time, which will probably be like tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do, guys. You're going to keep pushing play.